On Tuesday, XRP declined by 1.13%. After a 0.38% gain on Monday, XRP ended the day at $0.6050. Significantly, XRP visited sub $0.60 for the second consecutive session. On Monday, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced support for pro-crypto candidates in the U.S. election. The Ripple CEO had this to say: "Team Ripple is putting a stake in the ground, leading the charge with other industry leaders to support pro-innovation and pro-crypto candidates in the 2024 U.S. election cycle. The U.S. cannot afford to continue taking a back seat on the global stage." Garlinghouse highlighted the U.S. regulatory landscape, adding, "Regulatory overreach, ESP, from the SEC, is actively moving the U.S. in the wrong direction, and other countries are taking full advantage of the lack of U.S. leadership. We need to advance leaders who will champion innovation and spearhead paths towards responsible regulation." Garlinghouse wrapped up, saying, "2024 is the time to go back to first principles by encouraging initiatives to promote transparency, innovation, and a compliance-first approach. Team Ripple and I won't squander it." Welcome to Crypto World Educate. If this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and like and share this video. This enables us to reach a greater audience. Let's continue. Garlinghouse shared a Politico article titled "Crypto Titans Launch 2024 Election Play with $78 Million Super PAC Spend." Other early donors include Circle, Kraken, Paradigm, and Coinbase, COIN, CEO Brian Armstrong. The outcome of the 2024 presidential election could significantly affect the future of the U.S. digital asset space. Senator Elizabeth Warren's anti-crypto campaign highlights the future under Democratic Party clean sweep victory. The timing of the Politico article is poignant. On Monday, we considered the implications of a Democratic or Republican Party clean sweep. A clean sweep would mean one party has control of the House and the Senate. Control of the House and the Senate facilitates the passage of bills through Congress. Two crypto bills highlight the opposing parties' attitudes toward the U.S. digital asset space. In 2022, Senators Cynthia Lummis and Kirsten Gillibrand filed the Responsible Financial Innovation Act in 2022. The bipartisan bill would address the SEC's overreach by giving the CFTC statutory authority to regulate cryptos. The Lummis and Gillibrand bill aims to drive innovation while protecting U.S. investors. Senator Warren's Digital Asset Anti-Money Laundering Act aims to place digital assets into the securities basket by imposing banking-style regulations. Regulations include anti-money laundering, AML, and countering the financing of terrorism, CFT, frameworks. While frameworks addressing AML and CFT issues are necessary, punitive requirements and SEC oversight could materially impact the U.S. digital asset space. The contrasting bills could dictate the evolution of the U.S. digital asset space. Senator Warren's anti-crypto stance and a Democratic Party clean sweep would be an ominous combination for crypto advocates. Bill Morgan, a cryptocurrency enthusiast and lawyer, has underscored an insightful factor towards investing in the XRP token. The lawyer recently used X, formerly Twitter, to share his optimism about XRP's price action. According to the analyst, traders and investors interested in the crypto asset's price movement should concentrate on the long term. Bill Morgan's post addressed yesterday's volatility and how the cryptocurrency community perceived it. The X post was published in response to Matt, the Moon Lambo YouTube channel host. The host refuted the cryptocurrency community members' assertions that yesterday's XRP decrease was more violent than other coins. Morgan provided an alternative viewpoint while admitting that Matt's position was correct. The analyst asserted that XRP's price behavior has not been excellent over the past month despite a market-wide increase, falling by over 2%. Because of this, he believes the decline of digital assets was more difficult than expected. He further pointed out that the token has experienced a rebound today but has not been very robust. Furthermore, he asserted that he does not place much significance on a month's price action in these markets. He believes conviction must go beyond a day, week, or month of price movement. So far, Morgan has noted that yesterday's decline did not affect him emotionally. He was only surprised by yesterday's fall's depth and today's recovery's weakness. Nonetheless, he has clarified that this would not influence his choice to hold or sell the digital asset. Several cryptocurrency enthusiasts have recently expressed a bullish sentiment toward XRP's price action. On Sunday, Patrick Riley, the founder of Reaper Financial, stated that the token will reach $22 in the next bull run. Riley added that the crypto asset will maintain a $10 price level after the bull run. Since analysts predict the next bull run will be in 2024, XRP might reach $22 next year. The cryptocurrency founder made other audacious claims besides his $22 price mark estimate. He believes that XRP will eventually overtake Bitcoin, though he did not provide a specific timeframe for this event. It's worth knowing that the crypto community is holding its breath as the SEC is inching closer to making a crucial decision on the approval of a Bitcoin ETF. According to a recent opinion expressed by analyst Nate Geraci, if the ETF is not approved, it might be one of the bigger rug pulls in crypto history. However, Geraci still believes the chance of such a product being greenlit by the SEC is close to 100%. The impending decision, which is anticipated to take place next month, may mark a turning point in the integration of cryptocurrencies into traditional finance. Per Bloomberg Intelligence's estimations, the spot Bitcoin ETF market has the potential to become a $100 billion behemoth. This video is not financial advice and you are advised to do your research before making any investment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment for us in the comment section. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of crypto, and we're here to empower you every step of the way. Get ready to unlock the door to a digital revolution.